Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Ram 1500, guys. Y'all see what I'm bringing out here? Y'all know why? I explained the reason why in a previous video. All right, this is a no start. Naturally, they suspecting fuel pump not running, or the fuel pump is bad. I hear this a lot. Sound like the fuel pump bad. What are you basing that off of? The fact that the engine is spinning over fast? So I bring me some throttle body clean out here so I can mimic fuel presence if that's the case. I don't know what the case is. That's why I'm out here to find out. Whoa, is this a Hemi? Is this an old style Gen 1 Hemi? Gen 2 maybe? I don't know. But guys, I bring me some throttle body cleaner and a screwdriver out here so I can remove the intake and spray down in there and find out if it starts. But first thing first. All right, let's get this intake hose off. Now let's start the thing and see what happens first. All right, let's do that. How about let's find out. Joker heavy, because I do not want to push this thing in the car. Let's see. Alrighty. This is an old model, guys. Anytime you got a black key, yeah, I can't remember what year this is, but all right, let's see what we got. Whoa! Wait a minute. No, guys, that is not no fuel. That is not no lack of fuel pressure. All right, this thing's spinning over. Something is, hold tight. Alrighty, guys. That'll come off. Well, no sense in me spraying down in there, guys. That did not sound like lack of fuel. That sounded like something in the engine, guys. Low compression. Did y'all hear that? Hey, stuff growing under here. This car been parked for a while. Oh man, it's one of those. Sound like, guys, I'm getting no compression. I'm gonna have to do a compression test. I am not about to tow this thing up inside the shop just to do it. I might end up taking, guys, to get a gauge of what you up against. Now remember, this is the dual setup, so I can remove one spark plug. Let me listen to this again, guys. I'm gonna set this right here. I want y'all to hear this. All right, so hold tight. Let me go start. So I'm out here by myself and I can't see if anything turning. There's no way I can get around. Let me put this right here. I need you guys to help me. All right. I'm gonna have to rewind this footage and see what's going on. So I'm about to spin this car over. I need to know if this crank even turning. So if the crank is turning, this AC compressor is gonna be turning, right? Right. So let me spin this over. I'm gonna record this and go back and look at this footage and see what's going. Cause that's not fuel pressure, guys. That is something internal. All right, let me get it. All right, I can't see. Let me rewind this footage and look at. Wait a minute. Yeah, let me rewind this footage, guys. Hold tight. Whoa! Why didn't nobody tell me? This freaking thing ain't even turning over. Something is broken, guys. I just re-looked at the footage. You can hear the engine spinning over, but I don't see this turning. So I need y'all to look. I'm gonna put somewhere where y'all can see. I need y'all to let me know if the damn crank even turning. All right, because all y'all was able to see was the belt. All right, let me set this somewhere. Y'all gonna have to help me, guys. I'm out here by myself. Nobody's out here with me. It would be nice to have somebody to turn the engine over. All right, let me set this down so y'all can see. All right, so now y'all let me know. I'm about to go spin it over. Y'all let me know if this crank is turning. Here we go. What y'all see down there? We're about to do it again. Oh, all right, guys. I have to go back and look at this footage. But I think somebody coming. Oh, yeah, spin this over for me. Okay, I ain't gonna look at the footage. I'm gonna look at the actual, see what's going on, because this is crazy. I'm hearing stuff moving, spinning over, but I don't see nothing turning. Is the crankshaft broke? What the hell? It looked like that belt is off. Spin it over, please. Whoa! That thing ain't even turning, man. Do it again. Whoa, wait a minute. Alright. They done left something off. I don't know. You gotta get it inside. Appreciate it. Guys, a couple scenarios here, right? Either the keeper is missing off of the, I don't know how, I can't remember how this is set up. I don't know if that pulley is pressed on or keeper driven or keeper, you know, stacked. I don't know. I don't know this one by heart. This is an older model, but at any rate, it's never gonna start. So, and I don't want to push this in for nothing, but I wish there was a way I can find out. For all I know, the starter could be just spinning. Oh my goodness, guys. There's nothing else I can do. I try my best to avoid for having to go into the shop on no starts, but ain't no way around this one. I'm gonna have to get it in the shop and get it in the air, and we're gonna have to go from there, guys. I hate dragging you guys on. Y'all be wanting to know what was wrong with it? What was wrong with it? The suspense be killing me too, guys. Because remember, I get paid to figure out what's going on and to determine what it's going to take to fix it. So let's play this out for a minute. Just say the crankshaft is turning, but again, it's just not attached up here, because all bets are off for anything up here to turn if the harmonic balancer is not turning. And guess what the harmonic balancer is bolted to? Right, the flywheel. Not the flywheel, the crankshaft. So if the crankshaft turned, the harmonic balancer should turn. If the harmonic balancer turning, your accessories should be turning, because you have a belt that's connecting all the accessories together. That's obviously not happening. Where is the breakdown in communication, right? That's the part we don't know. I hear the starter motor spinning the flywheel over. Now, for all I know, the flywheel could be broke from the crankshaft at the rear. Remember, guys, y'all know how a crankshaft set inside of a block or engine. There's two devices connected to the front of the crankshaft and one in the rear. They call a flywheel or flex plate. All right. I don't want to hear Easy Does It mouth, but flex plate. All right. So that's in the rear, but in the front, they call it harmonic balancer. All right. So again, but because the starter motor likely turning the flywheel, could I be loose from there? I do not know, and we'll never know by speculating and guessing. So we got to get it in the shop. All right, that will not be today. I have other things to do, other cars to troubleshoot, but this is just as important as those other ones, guys. So I'm not going to belittle the importance of it. I want to get to the bottom of it, just like the customer. All right, so guys, stay tuned, man. There's no choice. There has to be another part. All right, y'all know I'm not gonna leave this video open like this. All right, so stay tuned, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.